What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan, and obviously I'm not in my office. The power was going out in the house I was in and staying in, but we're here. And I wanted to make this video for you because you clicked on this video because you want to succeed in 2024 selling life insurance. And as you guys have noticed, a lot of the videos recently have been unedited because I want to just give you the truth, the real reality of how you succeed selling life insurance in 2024 because I care about you. I want to see you win. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you guys define the odds. I want to see you guys change your family's lives. I want to see you change your lives. I want to see you guys living the life that you truly deserve only if you truly tap into it. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can truly succeed in this industry, how you can be part of the 1%, and how you can defy the odds of failing out of the industry. Because 92% of insurance agents fail, but the reality is 99, if not 98% of insurance agents are not making money. And it's just the reality. They're buying leads. You're probably either buying leads, you're going to recruit friends and family, you're going to sell all your friends and family and all your warm market, and that's the only way that you can make money in this industry. And I personally, when I got into the industry, I didn't want to be that person. I don't want to be the person going and recruiting and going and texting on my warm market and tapping that out. Like, I didn't want to be, like, it felt weird. And I thought that was the way that I was the only way that I was going to succeed in this industry was by doing that and by buying these overpriced, super expensive leads. But I was able to find another way that I want to share with you how you can make money in this industry, how you can make a good at least $10,000 per month in profit for you and your family's lives, because you can be at the top of the leaderboards. And the reason why they put those there is because they want you to compete. And so ultimately the people at the top are making the money. But in the new, like the way that you sell life insurance today and the way you can make money, make a good 10, 20, even 30 to $40,000 per month on your own pen is by using these things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. So the first thing that you really want to focus on when you're selling life insurance and when you're wanting to scale your income and the way you actually make money in this industry is by learning how to sell. Learn how to speak to any person. Get hit with objections. Get hit with rejection. Get hit with those, I need to think about it. I need to talk to my spouse. Get hit with those and overcome those and learn how and become a master at sales, become a master at persuasion. Because if you think about it, just think in your mind and the people that you see all over YouTube, the people who are actually making tons of money are closers, people who know how to persuade and get somebody to make a decision. You think about Alex Hormozi, Jeremy Miner, Bill Walsh. You think of Andy Elliott, Jeremy Miner, Hormozi. Like, all these people know how to sell and they learned how to sell. Even Grant Cardone, right? These people knew how to sell before they got wealthy, and then they learned how to market, and that's what made them wealthy. Selling made them rich. Marketing made them wealthy. So there's not going to be a magical lead. There's not going to be a mystical thing out there that's like all of a sudden you're just going to start making tons of money. You still have to work and you still have to know how to get somebody to buy, because you can have the best leads, you can have the best marketing, but if you do not know how to close and help somebody make a decision and help get to the root cause of why that person filled out the form, why they actually came in, why they actually, the intent's there. They want to buy insurance, but you have to help them make the decision. And that's what you get paid handsomely for. If you don't know how to do that, you're going to get wiped away in this industry. Now, the second thing is you have to level up your person. You, as an individual, your identity, your beliefs, your mindset, your skill set has to increase. Right now, the person that you have been, if you're in debt, if you're not making money, if you're not making the sales that you think you should be making, has been attracted to you because of the person that you've been. The marketplace does not discriminate. It doesn't matter. So for you wanting to succeed in 2024 selling life insurance, and you want to be part of that 1%, and you want to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month, and you want to change your family's life, You have to level up as a person. You have to be doing self-development. And it's not just listening to podcasts, because you wouldn't believe the amount of people that I speak with on a day-to-day basis that are listening to podcasts, that are watching videos like these and not taking action. You have to take action. And in Think and Grow Rich, he talks about once you think something, the moment you take action, you solidify that in your life. And if you're thinking about making money, if you're thinking about the changes that you need to make in your life, if you're thinking about the things that you need to do in your life to be successful but not doing them, it's just a waste. It's nothing. It doesn't matter. And so in your mind, you have to make it up in your head. I'm going to make a change now. Every time, like I like to listen to stuff, but I've narrowed it down a lot to where I'm only listening to things that I'm actually going to implement on. And if I don't implement, then I'm just wasting time, because we have this false perception that if we listen to things and if we think we have we need more information, then we're not just going to take action. And that's what's hindering you from being successful in the industry. Do the work. All that's left at the end of the day is the work that needs doing. You have to work on your mindset. You have to work on your thought process, the way you face and handle objection. Go for no, and not letting those get you discouraged, but taking every piece of taking as much as you can from those taking every loss as a lesson. That's what I was trying to get to. Taking every single loss that you get. If somebody gives you a think about it, what can I learn? It's not a loss because it's a lesson that I'm learning. And I want you to think about how much is not knowing the information, not getting in the room with people who are making the money, how much is that costing you on a day-to-day basis? And I speak with so much passion and conviction on this topic because that's what I was. I was like that same way. I didn't know what higher level people thought. And I had to invest in myself, into coaches and mentors and courses so that I can try to figure it out myself. Because my thought process on investing in myself is that if I get 1% better, if I can get a little nugget that's worth $8, $10, $20,000, that'll make me $200,000, $400,000, and it's infinite ROI. Because it's not just a 30-day ROI, which definitely can happen and has happened for me. And I pay off things really fast. But once instantly I get the information, or I think on a different level, or I have a belief that's broken, when I get into a community in a group of people and I see people winning, making $100,000, $200,000, $500,000 a month, and they're not even that much more crazy than me, my beliefs are broken. So maybe it's a skill set that you need to level up, or maybe it's your mindset, right? Maybe it's your mindset of the beliefs that you have about the world, the way you see life, the way you see money. Getting in those communities, getting in the room, getting around people, not just watching YouTube videos, because there's tons of information out there. And the reality is all the information's on the internet, but you're still stuck where you are. And I don't want you to be stuck for the rest of your life. But getting around people in a community that's pushing forward, that you're not rising to your potential, but you're falling to your standards, and your standards increase because of the community around, of people leveling up, making the money. People making $10,000 in a day when that was my goal in a month. And what's cool is that's what I help people do, because I was there. I was stuck in watching YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video and not implementing, and I stayed stuck. So if you're stuck and you're watching the videos, and if you're investing time, that's awesome, but there has to be a change. There's a transformation that needs to happen. You need to level up as a person before the money levels up in your life. I'm going to say that again because that's the reality. You need to level up as a person before the money levels up in your life, because the money's the money. It's nice. It's just points on the scoreboard. I'm a basketball player. I was a basketball player. And the more points you can make and score, it was awesome. But if I scored 30 and I knew I could score 50 and I didn't live up to my potential, what I should have done, even though I dropped 30 and scored and we won by 25 points and I only scored 30, but I knew I could have scored 50, then I'm disappointed because I knew there's another level. I know there's another level that I can go. There's another realm that I can tap into, but I chose to hold myself back and got complacent at 30. But say if I played a really good team and somebody was really like way better than me and I gave it everything that I got and I didn't get complacent, I dove for every loose ball and I tried to score every single point that I could, and I knew at the end of the day that I practiced and practiced and practiced and I was ready for the moment and I didn't show up for it. I knew that at the end of the day, when I look at myself in the mirror, that I did everything that I could up until that point. And so the money is just points on the scoreboard for business. 20, 30, $100,000 a month, whatever it looks like, those are just points on the board. But the question I want to ask you is, are you personally giving everything you got? Are you giving 110%? Are you giving all the effort that you can physically possibly give? Are you looking at the problems in your business and your life and trying to solve them as best as you can? Are you hiring the people and investing into coaches and mentors? Are you doing everything possible so you can make the change from where you're at now to where you want to go? Or are you staying the same? Because you wouldn't believe the amount of people that I talk to on a day-to-day basis. They watch videos just like these and they're stuck in the same spot. And I talk to them 6 months, 12 months, 18 months later, and they're stuck in the same spot. When they had the choice to make the change, when they had the choice to level up. And so the question I want to ask you is, do you want to level up? Do you want to change? Do you want to actually go from where you're at now to where you want to be? And it not just be a reality, like it not just be a thought, but are you going to actually take action? Are you going to pull the trigger? Are you actually going to do what you say you're going to do? Are you going to commit to making 300 dials and actually do that? Or are you going to stop at 120 dials because somebody gave you to think about it? Because somebody said, no, I didn't fill that out. And now you have all this self-doubt. Or is your mindset dialed in 100% so that every single day, every single thing that comes up, even the worst things that could possibly happen in life to you? I've lost multiple 5 figures in a day. But because my mindset was unbreakable, it just was. I knew I could get it back. As fast as it left, I knew I could get it back. So is your mindset unbreakable that anything that happens in life is for me and is happening for me? And the question I want to ask you is, how much longer do you want to stay where you're at? Or is it time to finally make the change? Finally time to put the line in the sand and really commit to making that $10,000 a month? Not just making a resolution to make 2024 the best year of your life, making $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, and another resolution that's forgot about in June. Or do you actually want that life? These are things that I had to think through, and I had to level up in my business, in my personal life, so the money could level up in my life. Because the money's the money. It really doesn't matter. I'm Christian. I believe that at the end of the day, I'm going to die, I'm going to go to heaven, and I'm going to be with God. But while I'm here on earth, am I giving everything possible? Am I changing the lives that I actually want to change? Am I helping the people who I actually want to help? Am I actually bringing transformation in people's lives, just like how I feel like I was called? Or am I not? And that was a decision I had to make, that I'm going all in. I'm investing in myself. I'm putting my back against the wall, and I'm making it happen. So I wanted to make this video super raw, super real. That is how you succeed selling life insurance in 2024. Have an unbreakable mindset. Stay true to the commitments that you make to yourself and have made to yourself previously. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this with a friend. Also, I just created a free school community. Join the waitlist in the description down below. And I'll see you guys there. Super crazy cool stuff coming so that you can level up in 2024. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.